Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through a simple process to stop those reminder push notifications for the pins you've saved on the Pinterest app on your PC. If you've been getting constant nudges that feel more annoying than helpful, this new update makes it easy to regain control over your notifications. First, open the Pinterest app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of the screen for the gear icon. This little icon is your gateway to all the settings that help customize your Pinterest experience. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking the gear icon, you'll find yourself in the Settings menu. From here, navigate to the Notifications section. This is where Pinterest keeps all your notification preferences organized, so it's the perfect place to make changes to the reminders you receive. Within Notifications, look for the option labeled Reminders at Pins You Saved. This setting is responsible for those push notifications that remind you about pins you've previously saved, sometimes more often than you want. To stop these alerts, simply toggle the push notifications off. This action ensures you won't get reminder pop-ups distracting you while you work or browse. But don't forget to click Save after you've made this change. Saving your preferences is crucial for the new settings to take effect. Once saved, you'll notice an immediate drop in unnecessary reminders, making your Pinterest experience more streamlined and tailored to your liking. And that's it. No more repetitive push notifications cluttering your screen from the pins you saved. With just a few quick clicks in the Pinterest app, you can keep your focus and enjoy browsing without interruptions. Thanks for watching.